Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with Dell, full guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your business needs for AI tools. Research the different AI tools available through Dell. Evaluate the compatibility of these tools with your existing infrastructure. Visit the Dell website to explore the specific AI offerings. Download any necessary software required for deployment. Ensure your hardware meets the minimum requirements for the AI tools. Create a project plan outlining timelines and milestones. Involve key stakeholders to gather input and ensure alignment. Set up a test environment to assess the AI tools before full deployment. Install the software in the test environment and run initial configurations. Conduct thorough testing to identify any potential issues. Gather feedback from users in the test group to make improvements. Once satisfied, proceed with the deployment in a live environment. Ensure all team members are trained on the new AI tools. Monitor the deployment closely for any technical challenges. Regularly evaluate the performance of the AI tools post-deployment. Make adjustments as needed based on user feedback and performance metrics. Stay updated with Dell support resources and community forums for ongoing assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.